Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure the RPMSD is on and running firmware v1, 2 or later. This unlocks the Bluetooth stack. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone or controller and approach within 1-2 meters. Press and hold the RPMSD pairing button for 5-7 seconds until the LED blinks rapidly. This signals advertising mode. You do this now so the device can be discovered. Next, you will pair from the mobile side to establish a secure link. Once the RPMSD advertises, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and scan. Look for RPMSD followed by 4 characters or the known MAC. Tap to pair. If a numeric code appears, confirm it matches on both devices. This prevents rogue pairing. If asked, grant permissions for Bluetooth, location, and background operation so the app can read telemetry. After pairing, open the RPMSD app or BLE client and request an RFCOM or GAT connection. Make sure the status shows connect. To finish, confirm telemetry appears. RPM, speed, and status should stream to your app. If you don't see data, disconnect, reboot the RPMSD, and toggle your phone's Bluetooth. If needed, clear the phone's Bluetooth cache or forget the device and repair. Make sure line of sight is clear within 1-2 meters and firmware is current. This resolves most dropouts. A key troubleshooting tip: if pairing fails repeatedly, enable verbose logging in the app to capture error codes. That points you to the exact failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.